Good morning, students. Today I am going to start People Engaged in Tertiary Activities Lecture 8. Today, most people are service workers. Services are provided in all societies, but in developed countries, a higher percentage of workers is employed in provision of services in contrast to less than 10% in the less developed countries. In USA, over 75% of workers are engaged in services. Some selected examples. So, for that selected example, I am going to take the example of tourism. Tourism has become one of the fastest growing industries in the world. Tourism is well developed in developed countries, and now tourism as a means of generating income and employment. So in developed countries, tourism is very well developed. In developing countries also, it is going to develop. Due to globalization, tourism has developed very fast during the last 50 years. Registered jobs 250 million and total revenue 40% of the total GDP. Many local persons are also employed to provide services like accommodation, meals, transport, and entertainment, and special shops serving the tourist. Now, what is tourism? Tourism is travel undertaken for purpose of recreation, rather than business. Tourist regions: Mediterranean coast, the warmer places around the Mediterranean coast. So what are the regions? Now we will discuss about the regions. What are the regions of tourism? So first of all, Mediterranean coast. Mediterranean coast because warmer places around the Mediterranean coast. So which is Mediterranean coast? Italy, Egypt, these. The west coast, Goa in India, Goa and Kerala of India are some of the popular tourist destinations in the world. Third point, winter sports regions found mainly in mountainous areas. So winter sports regions are found in mountainous areas because they need snow for that. Various scenic landscapes and national parks which are scattered here. Historic towns also attract tourists because of monuments and cultural facilities. Now, factors affecting tourism. So what are the factors affecting tourism? So first is demand, then transport. So demand. First I want to discuss about demand. Demand: since the last century, the demand for holidays has increased rapidly. Improvement in the standard of living because people's income has been increased, so now their standard of living has been improved. That's why tourist destination they wish to visit the tourist destination. Increased leisure time permit many more people to go on holidays. Transport. Second is transport. Travel is easier by car with better road systems. More significant in recent years has been the expansion in air transport. Anywhere in the world in a few hours. So air transport is the fastest means of transport. We can reach anywhere in the world within a few hours. Now, tourist attractions. So this is tourist attractions. So climate is also climate, landscape, history and art, culture and economy. These are the attractions point of tourism. First is climate. So most people expect to have warm sunny weather for beach holidays. The Mediterranean climate offers almost consistently high temperatures along long hours of sunshine and low rainfall throughout the year. So peak holidays throughout the peak holiday season. Mediterranean region is called playground of Europe. So which region is called playground of Europe? This Mediterranean region, because Europeans, they attract towards this Mediterranean region for their winter holidays. Landscape. Many people want to spend their holidays in charming or delightful environment. For this, they select untouched mountains, lakes, seas, coast for tourism. History and art. The history and art of a region also attract tourists. Tourists visit Egypt, China, India, etc. In India also there are many places to visit. In Egypt also, China also, there are many places, historical places to visit. People also go to visit beautiful cities and archaeological sites. Cultural and economy. The tourist interested in ethnic composition and local traditions of different regions visit such places. If a region provides for the needs of tourists at a cheap cost, so if any region it provides tourist needs at a very cheap cost, so they become very popular, because there they get at a very low rate entertainment and as well as scenic beauty also. The heritage houses of Goa and Kark and Medicore of Karnataka. That's all, and I want to continue my next ninth lecture. Thank you.